I'll talk about farmers and government talk. Well, today they have again collapsed, and the next meeting will be now on 9th of December. So, this is, the farmers are showing very unyielding, unflappable kind of behavior. Now, my thing is that this is an opportunity for the farmers to help improve the agriculture sector instead of completely turning a black eye or blind eye towards this law. Well, they should try to pick up things which are beneficial for their sector. Now, there are certain good things in these bills as well, which the farmers should look at. What is that they are totally showing uncooperative behavior, and they only want the act to be repealed. The government is trying to find a middle way to convince the farmers how this act is good for them and what are the benefits of these bills. But the farmers are stuck on their point. They are not ready to listen. So actually, this is not good, because you should be open to some new innovations in your sector. We all know that agriculture sector needs reforms, and if this is the time, then they should keep their ears open. We know that so many farmers commit suicide every year. So you know the the farmers can push in for reforms which are needed, instead of just staying mum, or taking up a more Maun Vrat kind of an attitude. So they can talk about those issues instead of just saying that take back the acts. The agriculture sector, the kind of attention which it is receiving today, generally doesn't get that much attention. So this is a good opportunity for the farmers to make use of the opportunity, and put forth demands which will help improve the sector. So rather than staying put and staying mum and only asking the government to roll back. Okay, the government will roll back, eventually it has to, but then what will happen? You are where you were. So I would like to suggest, if someone is listening, if some farmer union leader is listening to me, that please use this opportunity to bargain for some good laws or acts or rules for your community. And actually these bills are not that bad. They have some good points as well. They are trying to modernize the farming sector, which is required. Till when can you keep riding the bullock carts? So they should look at the positive points, and if they are apprehensive about some negative points which they are putting forth in front of the government, which is correct, but they should also talk about other things. They should use this opportunity to revolutionize, galvanize their sector, so that the future generations of farmers want to take up farming, don't want to move away from farming. So rather than simply asking for repealing of the laws, they should go forward and talk about new changes, new reforms which can be brought in, and also look at the good things which the bills, the acts have. So I would like to say that I am not anti-farmer. I am pro-farmer, and I am pro-development, and I am pro-opportunities. So the farmers should look at the positive points also of the act. If they think the act is all negative, that is not the case. So somebody should guide the union leaders, the farmer leaders, and they should explain to their brethren Also, the government has done one mistake, that they did not take farmers in confidence, and they thought that they can just make these changes. But actually, the farmer on the ground felt insecure, and that is why they are here. So I think this is the only way. Both the sides should look at some out of the box solutions and opportunities. So let's see where it goes from here. But I just hope that the sector improves. There is something to gain from the farmer, for the farmers in the farming sector, because the laws will be taken back. Then no one will dare to bring changes in agriculture sector. The farmers should think about that. Changes are required. Everything is not golden in the farming sector, and it's not that they don't need any change. So I hope good things happen for farming sector and agriculture sector, and this protest ends with something very good, some very good changes for the farmers.